everyone, welcome to 5 minutes Bellydance with me. We have learned in the past to do the shoulder shimmy, alright? Today, we're going to work on some other shoulder movements that you can actually add on to your dance. The shoulder movements that I'm going to show you today are all very easy, alright? So it comes very natural to us, okay? The few movements that you can do, alright, are the shoulder push. I'm doing it at one shoulder now, okay? Push front, push back, okay? You're going to the back, from center to the back, and back. And also going up, lifting it up, and bringing it down. So these are some basic movements you can do. Front, back, up, down, all right? And you can also do a circle with the shoulder, right? Because you can go front and up and back and down, front and up and back and down. For the shoulder roll, I call this the shoulder roll or the circle. I prefer to basically focusing the movements instead of focusing the lifting. I would prefer to focus on the down, because if you lift too much, it will give the illusion that your neck is shorter. All right, then it doesn't look nice in the dance. So I prefer to go up a little bit, but go down more. All right, up and down more, up and down more. Or you can go the opposite direction to the front. All right, you can do this on one side. All right, or you can do this alternately to the front. Or you can do both together, for example, to the front, to the back. All right, you can bring it up, lift both together up. Okay, but usually when we do it up, it continues with the head. You go up and then your head goes up. So it gives you the flow. And personally, I feel doing the shoulder movements, all right, makes you look really sexy. This is what I personally feel, all right? So be careful when you play with your shoulders. You don't want to give the wrong signals, all right? I will be facing you so that you can see the shoulder movements. We will start 4 shoulder rolls, 2, we're going to slowly go down, and in another 2 shoulder rolls, we're going to slowly come up. We will start with the right shoulder, all right? So you go down on 2 rolls. 1, 2, come up, 3, 4. So after coming up, we're going to do 4 shoulder rolls now, 2 to the back and 2 to the front with the right shoulder. So as you're going to the back, you're going to twist your body a little bit. 1, stays here, and on the second roll, twist further back and lean to the back. All right, so your body is tilting to your right side. And now you're going to do 2 shoulder roll front. All right, so you go 1, stay in this position, and then another 1 going forward. All right, after this, you're going to do push. All right, you're going to push because your shoulder now is to the front. We're going to do 2 push to the back, 1 and 2. Again, we are going twist, open up the chest and twist to the back, 1 and 2. And then you're going to go front, push front, 3 and 4. Okay, then from here, we're going to do the 4 up, down, back, front. So you go up, okay, dip up, dip down, and then go back and front. All right, and then you're going to repeat all this with the left shoulder. You're going to start back. Weight is on the right now. So you're going to start with the left shoulder, going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 rolls to the back, 5, 6, lean back, 7, 8, twist to the front, all right? 2 push, 1, 2, push front, 3, 4, and now you're going to up, down, back, front, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try with the music. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time. Bye.